Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are a team from Master Study Program of Indonesian Language Education, Faculty of Letter, State University of Malang, will present article entitled Mitigation of COVID-19 Outbreak in Indonesian Putri. This article is compiled by Mofikri Zulfikar, myself, and then Dr. Joko Saryono, MPD, and then Dr. Mohsyari Esos, MSI. Let me present our article. Okay, introduction. First, since the first case of COVID-19 in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, many parties have been busy to handle. All of the world government are starting to focus on healthy and economy policies as well as the scientists' research on COVID-19. Besides, the global impact which affect human life becomes the restlessness among Indonesian poetry writers. Record in January to August 2020, many literary work about the pandemic station of COVID-19 were found in newspaper and online media and book. The COVID-19 outbreak inspired writers to produce literary work in various forms. One of them is the form of poetry. This can be seen in the work is of Indonesian writer in online media complaint in cakradunia.co, written to Denny JA, entitled Tanggung Jawab Sang Pemula, or The Beginner Responsibility, and Mihar Harapan, entitled COVID, Ada Apa Denganmu, or COVID, What Wrong With You? In addition to be published online and newspaper, Indonesia poetry work about COVID-19 outbreak is also distributed in anthology. Example, a book entitled Kemanusiaan pada masa wabah corona, or Humanity in the Time of Coronavirus Outbreak, read by Indonesian author. This research focus on literary work in the form of poetry published in national newspaper, online media, and a book. Poetry work produced during the COVID-19 outbreak commonly talk about how people are mitigation against this deadly pandemic, starting from the human effort to survive by applying physical distancing to spraying disinfectant. Some literary work also often spotlight the human relationship during the pandemic, which insists them not the meet face to face. Somehow, this case caused some problem faced by the character. Then, the literary work often saw as a real life condition, as in the 5th century, the Athenians suffered from smallpox, typhoid, and Ebola. Later on, there was a war of Oedipus King and Lady Tracis that described the Theban plague in Greece at that time. Similarly, during the COVID-19 pandemic, literary work, especially Indonesian poetry, commonly describe how people are struggling to survive on outbreak. Therefore, Plato started the art of literary work are mimesis that are literary imitates and imagine real things that exist in reality and stand under the reality itself in the hierarchy. And then, besides completely entertaining, literary literature can also be used to teach something using entertainment system. By reading a poetry, the reader indirectly that talk about the concept of knowledge shown by the character in the poetry. During the COVID pandemic, literary works are expanded the third reader thing to discuss construction by Peter. Are one of the conclusions that discourse is mitigation on the COVID-19 outbreak, which is described in Indonesian poetry. And then literary studies from literary nowadays are highly uh, interdisciplinary, uh, multidisciplinary, and transdisciplinary. This happens because in some cases, the literary study of no monodisciplinary cannot provide comprehensive answer dealing with society problems that become more complex. Literary study from various perspectives are highly needed by the research to associate the literary with multidisciplinary subject so that literary research can provide some comprehensive and useful research in society. And then one one the interdisciplinary that can be associated by with literature is epidemiological study, reviewing literary work using epidemiological study is expanded to be able to reveal the information discourse on COVID-19 outbreak mitigation described in Indonesian poetry from the process of knowledge construction as a part of epidemiological study. Mitigation illustrated human interaction in the effort to control and prevent COVID-19 outbreak. And then formulation of the problem. Uh, in this research, formulation of problem, how is the construction of knowledge about the mitigation of the COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesian poetry? In this problem formulation, the reader will look for an answer to the construct of any knowledge related to the mitigation of COVID-19 outbreak found in Indonesian poetry. In method in research, in this research, first, this research use a descriptive qualitative approach taught the phenomenological hermeneutic of Paul Ricoeur as an interpreter or attempt to understand meaning. In hermeneutic, there is an attempt to grasp hermeneutics on phenomenology. Then epidemiological and archaeological studies from Paul uh, from Foucault of studies of knowledge are used as instrument in giving meaning to the text discourse related to COVID-19 outbreak mitigation that implies the control and prevention of outbreak that construct uh, knowledge in Indonesia poetry. And then the research uh, of the descriptive qualitative approach are data descriptive in the form of written or oral word about an observed state or symptom. This approach is crucially related to the state of the research subject that appear as they are to make systematic, actual, and accurate description images of art paintings of the phenomenon of outbreak disaster mitigation formed in poetry created by Indonesian writer. The data were in the form the poetry text, which consists of lines and stanza that compose form of epidemic disaster mitigation. And then the data source of this research in poetry published in various media such as newspaper, online media, and book published from January 2020 to Agustus 2020. Okay, next. Uh, recent result uh, in research so in this article, the outbreak disaster mitigation is a part of the epidemiology study that discuss the human interaction on outbreak control and prevention effort. Research poetry published by from the beginning of January 2020 to August 2020 of solely construct knowledge about the COVID-19 outbreak, disaster mitigation effected in characters action. Sorry. From the expert, from the excerpt of the poetry, there are five types of COVID-19 outbreak disaster mitigation, including agent source control effort, cutting a link in the kind of transmission, horsepower increase, primordial prevention, and tertiary prevention. Next, uh, again, in the first, again, the source control, the effort to control the agent result of COVID-19 outbreak mitigation conduct in Indonesian P3 is illustrated through the action of the character and poetry. The action of controlling the salt agent in poetry are as follows. Maybe in the first, medical treatment for COVID patient done by doctor, and two, isolation of COVID-19 patient is in hospital, and then physical For control of some policies, such as not going to mosque, keeping physical distance, not handling and hugging, not shaking hands, not making a visit on condolence, not attend religious activities, not receiving requests, and conducting press conference online. Then to cut a link in the chain of transmission, the effort to cut a link in the chain of transmission of COVID-19 outbreak mitigation construction in Indonesian poetry is illustrated through the action of the character and poetry. The action of cutting a link in the chain of transmission in poetry are as follow. Uh, Personal hygiene taught the habit and washing hands. And then sterilization taught the activities of COVID-19 or handling and settlement disinfectant spraying. And then prevent travel took several policies as short as closing school, working from home, applying a larger scale social restriction LSRR, policies or known as PSBB in Indonesia, lockdown, staying at home, homecoming ban, and flight cancellation. And then at horsepower increase, the effort to increase the horsepower in COVID-19 outbreak mitigation construction in Indonesian poetry in is illustrate top the action of the characters and poetry. The action of increasing the horsepower in poetry are as follow. Uh, Improving body protection by wearing hazmat suit and mask. And then increasing nutrition by nutrition fulfilling fighting effort and maintaining body's immunity. And then primordial prevention, the effort of primordial prevention of COVID-19 outbreak mitigation constructed in Indonesian poetry is illustrated through the action of the characters and poetry. An action to promote primordial prevention in poetry as follow prevent pollution by preventing air pollution in the community, and then grant campaigns to persuade humans to protect environment. And then tertiary prevention, the effort of tertiary prevention of the COVID-19 outbreak mitigation conducted in Indonesian poetry is illustrated through the action of the characters and poetry. The action of tertiary prevention in poetry is as follows: rehabilitate COVID-19 patient done by medics. And then conclusion in my research, Indonesia poem uh, published from January to August 2020 uh, construct knowledge about the mitigation of the COVID-19 outbreak. Construction of knowledge is known from whom the repression mitigation efforts such as controlling the agent resource, cutting a link in the chain of transmission, increasing horsepower, applying a primordial as well in tertiary prevention. And then the construction of knowledge of COVID-19 outbreak mitigation in Indonesian form can be used teaching information from literary work to the reader relate to the way of mitigation outbreak in this pandemic era. In addition to teaching or education function, Indonesian film are also entertaining in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.